Hello, my name is Jessica. Nice to meet you all. I work as a case manager at a resource center, which also turns into a shelter for youth experiencing homelessness, and we work with ages 13 to 24, and I in particular am a case manager for over 18. So I work with 18 to 24-year-olds that are experiencing homelessness. Um, I've really enjoyed learning about theories of cognitive development. So anything that has to do with brain development really interests me, and specifically how trauma as a child impacts brain development. And learning about different types of interventions has also been super cool. Like anything that I can immediately relate to what I do and to the population I work with is particularly helpful, and I find really interesting. And I feel like I've become a better case manager thanks to what I have learned so far. I'm looking forward to learning more about like policy and macro type stuff and how that affects society and how that affects individuals. I work with a lot of clients that are entangled in the criminal justice system, and I spend a lot of time at court advocating them and trying to convince judges not to arrest like all of my clients and my kids. So I always have my eye out for policy changes in that field because it's something that would immediately impact my clients' lives. So yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you all, and happy 4th of July.